Hello again. In this video I'm going to take you through the simple steps to install the software needed to use TrustCore on a Raspberry Pi. You can also find these instructions in the PKCS11 implementation notes available on the TrustCore webpage. This is a Pi 3B running Raspberry and 10, and I've logged in using PuTTY. It is of course connected to the internet. The first thing you need to do is enable I2C using Raspberry config. The key management tools also make use of a package called mCursors, so it's worth making sure that is installed. So we're now ready to download the built software. As this is a dev kit and the source for all of this is on GitHub, debug builds are provided. It's a simple job to get the archive using wget and extract the files using tar. To install the files into their correct location and set up the driver to run automatically, use the install script. Let's do that now. After rebooting, we can test that the driver is working by using the lsm command. This lists the apps loaded into the MULTOS chip. That's it. We have a valid response, so everything is installed and ready to go. Next time, I'll introduce the various ways you can write software that uses TrustCore. Bye for now.